In this video, I'm going to break down 4 types of questions that students consistently find the hardest in A-level biology and show you exactly how to approach each one. Number 1, application questions with the command word suggest. These questions are some of the most intimidating. For example, suggest and explain the effect of a competitive inhibitor on the rate of active transport in root hair cells. This is a typical 3-mark question, and it's not asking for a memorized answer. It's testing logical, biological thinking. Start by identifying the topic. Here, active transport. You should immediately recall that active transport requires ATP, which is produced by respiration. Next, think about the effect of the inhibitor. If it's competitive within a respiration reaction, then it will compete for active sites and reduce the rate of respiration. Therefore, less ATP will be produced. Finally, link this to the outcome. With less ATP available, the rate of active transport in root hair cells will decrease. A strong answer follows this structure. Clear statement of effect, biological reasoning, logical conclusion. Think cause, mechanism, effect. Number 2, essay questions and long answer questions. These are difficult because they test depth, structure, and application, not just knowledge. These questions often require accurate and specific biological knowledge, clear cause and effect chains, logical sequencing of ideas. Before you start writing, pause and plan. Identify what topics are being assessed, what the command word is asking you to do, and how you can organise your answer logically. Strong long answers explain how and why, not just what. For example, instead of listing facts, link them together. This leads to X, which results in Y, therefore Z happens. Examiners reward answers that flow logically, use precise terminology, and directly answer the question at every stage. If you're finding this helpful, make sure to hit like and subscribe so you don't miss future lessons. And if you've got a question about this topic, drop it in the comments below. Our tutors actually read them and we're happy to help. If you're looking for extra support, remember that Spires, world-class tutors, are only 1 click away. You can find the right tutor in minutes with 0 hassle. Spires is a multi-award-winning platform that lets you connect with vetted tutors, book lessons, manage payments, and join secure video classes, all in one place. It's powered by smart tutor matching technology designed to save you hours of searching, so you can focus on learning, not logistics. Designed for simplicity, built for learning, tailored to your budget. Now, let's get back to that lesson. Number 3, understanding complex diagrams and graphs. Many students lose marks on diagrams and graphs, not because they don't understand the biology, but because they don't know how examiners want these questions answered. The best way to improve here is practice with past papers. When you're revising, practice describing trends clearly and accurately. Look out for describe as the command word in a question. If the question is asking you to explain a graph, practice explaining patterns using biological knowledge. Complicated diagrams and flowcharts require practice. Expose yourself to as many of these through exam papers and analyse the mark scheme to see what wording works. Read examiner reports to understand common mistakes. Ask yourself, am I describing what I see or explaining why it happens? And then ask, am I linking it back to the keywords in the question? Am I using correct units and variables? Am I being specific rather than vague? The more exposure you get to these questions, the more predictable they become. Number 4, synoptic questions. These questions can be challenging because they require you to link multiple topics together. For example, a question on gene mutations in viruses and the development of effective vaccines might require you to connect genetic mutations, protein structure, antigens on viral surfaces, the immune response, and how vaccines work. The key here is to build a chain of logic. Start with mutations in the viral genome. Explain how this can change the amino acid sequence. Link this to changes in protein structure. Explain how altered antigens affect immune recognition. And finally, link this to the vaccine effectiveness. If your answer flows from one topic to the next naturally, you're doing it right. Synoptic questions reward students who see biology as connected systems, not isolated topics. Finally, the hardest A-level biology questions are testing thinking, not memory. If you practice applying knowledge, structuring long answers, interpreting data, and linking topics together, these questions become far more manageable and far less scary. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with someone who might find it useful. And if you've got any questions at all, leave a comment below. We'd love to hear from you. When you're ready to take your learning further, join Spires for an easier, quicker way to find pre-vetted tutors. On our award-winning platform, tutors can respond to your request within minutes. Spires makes learning simple. Book tutors, schedule lessons, pay securely, and join video classes, all in one place, powered by technology tailored to your needs. Our personalised lessons are designed around your goals, your schedule, and your budget, and they work. 93% of Spires students raised their grades. 61% achieved AA at A-level, and 97% of GCSE students improved by an average of 2.4 grades. So if you're ready to learn smarter, find a Spires tutor today. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.